In today's video we're gonna check out how we got to this from this, which pretty much does how the backyard looked at the moment when we bought the house. Was a mess and had a lot of trash on it, and the fence itself was pretty much destroyed, could barely hold it. This is how it looks right now. Yeah, also you're gonna see here the materials we bought and how we transported. The length of the wood that we used actually was 1.83, so 1 meter and 83 centimeters, and also we used wood 2.2 thick. Right, so what we're doing right now, we're taking out the old, well, we're still gonna use them, but we're taking out this one and clean a little bit in this bit for the neighbor. Plus we're gonna have to take this one and put it on the other side because it curved a little bit given the fact that the sand was pushing towards the this side. So we're gonna put it as it's supposed to be. We're gonna have to clean it, make it nice and clean, and also we're, as you can see, cleaning a little bit of the plants and stuff, whatever they grew up in there. Right, so we just cleaned the lower side of the fence, nice and smooth, and we remove all the plants and whatever it was there, so we can put back the actual wood fence. Da. Wicked. So when the baby boys just went to sleep, we bring the big guns. So what happened is that the drilling machine, or whatever we were using before, unfortunately we don't have any more batteries, so we had to take the big one and get the big wire in the house so we can actually have some power to it. But as you can see, this one, it's not powerful, it's very powerful. It pretty much doesn't feel anything, it's just doing it. Hai să ne măsurăm pe ăsta, măsurăm o dată sus, o dată jos, exact. So at the moment it looks like this, which is not too bad, I would say. So if you've seen these ones, they were quite big, like this height, something like this, and we cut it in shape and we try to keep the shape of the pole itself. So it's gonna have a nice slope. It's gonna follow the same angle. This one, same thing. Yeah, so we keep the nice design. It's like old versus new. Same thing over here. And what we did, we reinforce it with these two ones. If I'm not mistaken, I think it's like 4x6 or something like that, or 3x6. I think it's 3x6 though. And it's not wobbly. It is just a little bit. Now, given the fact that we're putting the fence using the poles, definitely there was some space in here, which means it was like wobbly when it was windy. So we inserted some pieces of wood in there. Over here also, same thing. Yeah, making very steady. For some reason this one was broken, so I suppose in time we're gonna try and, I don't know, we're gonna try and do something, most probably just repair it somehow. It's quite steady. Now, even though like right now might look a little bit weird, imagine once we are going to paint it and all is gonna have the same shade and color, it's gonna be just brilliant. Yeah, the only thing we have left is the actual gate, which I don't know exactly when we're gonna sort it out, but most probably gonna have like a different video, I guess, for it. There is a chance. Same thing here. Now what we did here, as you've seen it with the machine, is that we put something on top. The reason being is because we want to protect it a little bit against the water, plus is making it a lot more steady. So yeah, pretty much this is the result. And as you can see, if you're trying to move the fence, you can't do it. I mean, literally, I'm trying, and you can't do it. Given the fact that we put this piece of wood, the 3x6, given the fact that we put it on this position, it's giving it a lot more strength. And even if you want to move the lower side, given the fact that we have these two pieces of wood, we can't do it. Look, I'm trying to move the side, just steady. That's how it's supposed to be, I guess, isn't it? Right, so we're pretty much done. The only thing that's left is the gate itself, which hopefully we're gonna do it today if the weather is gonna be alright. Pretty much that's about it. Now it did costed just the fence itself 200 pounds, but it's definitely very resistant. So once we're gonna do the gate, and then we're gonna have to get some sort of protection and apply it on it, and we shall see how that's gonna work out. But yeah, hope you guys like it also, as we definitely love it. And the wood in here definitely added some strength, and on top of that it looks like a fence, really a fence. Right, so we cut them in size, and from 183 spears we got 90 long, and from one big, this is what is left. Pretty much is the excess, which is like 3 centimeters, and we're using these 2 pieces of wood like a support so we can level it up, and we're gonna build it on the floor, so to speaking, on the ground. Let's see how that's gonna go, huh?
Optimalize it.